You have had an assistant forget something you told it. Today we look at why, and the answer is simpler and stranger than a bad memory. What an agent actually remembers. 10 minutes into a long conversation, you refer back to something you said at the start, and it has no idea what you mean. You have watched this happen. So where was that sitting until now? And why would it ever fall out? Nothing got deleted. You did not close anything. Which leads to the useful question. What does it actually have in front of it right now this turn? The answer is the opposite of how it feels. Nothing persists by itself. The window is refilled from outside every single turn. This is the box we have been drawing since episode 2 opened up. It has a proper name, the window. The box and the window are the same thing. Everything the model can see is in here and nowhere else. Standing instructions. Be helpful, do not do the following, that sort of thing. A description of what its tools can do. Those blank forms from episode 3 live here. The story so far. What has been said, what came back from the last tool it ran. And your request. Send Maya the Q3 report. And it is worth being careful about 3 different things that all get called memory. There is what the model learned in training, which lives in the weights and does not change while it runs. There is this box, which is what it is looking at right now. And there is storage outside, a database or a file, which a program can read from and write to. Products remember you using that third one. The weights are not learning you. The model reads the whole box at once, and the sentence worth keeping is this. That is everything it can see. What it learned in training is a separate thing, sitting in the weights from episode 1. This box is what it is looking at right now. Now, where does the box come from? Each turn, a program fills it from a few places. Fixed instructions, which the people who built the product wrote. The tool descriptions come in alongside those. The running history of this particular task, and your request is the newest line of it. And anything just fetched in from somewhere else. A document, a page, a search result. Look at the direction of those arrows. They point in and they stop at the wall. The model does not reach out to any of these. It cannot go and look something up. It reads the box it was handed, and that is the end of it. Notice the arrows are dashed too, because not every source contributes on every turn. So back to the thing it forgot. The box has a size. A long conversation does not fit in it, so a program has to decide what to keep. Usually it summarizes the older part or quietly drops it. It might trim the list of tools too, or leave out most of a long document. And watch what that does. The slip is still there, so nothing looks missing. But what is written on it is now a shorter retelling of the conversation, not the conversation. The exact wording you used is gone. The detail you thought was obvious is gone. The model is not ignoring it. It is reading a summary, and that is all it was given. Which means what you lost did not decay and it did not fade. Something chose. And the same thing explains a more annoying habit. If you correct it and then the correction falls out of the box, then as far as the model is concerned, that correction never happened. It is not being stubborn. It genuinely cannot see it. So there is one window, and the model sees nothing outside it. A program refills it every turn, from a few places. And what is not in the box did not happen, as far as the model is concerned. Next time, how a web page can hijack an agent. Everything it reads lands in the same box. Your words, and whatever a web page said.